Bullets travel faster than sound, yet modern science has found a way to stop them. Welcome to Chemistry Zone by Ihsan Dastgeer, where we explore the chemistry behind protection, innovation, and strength. Composite armor is a multi-layered material system designed to absorb and dissipate the energy of high-speed projectiles. It combines ceramics for hardness, polymers for flexibility, and fibers for strength, creating a shield that's both lightweight and durable. When a bullet strikes, the ceramic layer shatters, spreading the force across a wide area. The polymer and fiber layers then absorb the remaining energy, preventing penetration. It's not just brute strength, it's smart material design. Common materials include Kevlar, ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, and ceramics like Boron Carbide. Each contributes unique properties: flexibility, heat resistance, and impact absorption, making composite armor a masterpiece of material science. Composite armor protects soldiers, vehicles, and even spacecraft. Its lightweight design reduces fuel consumption while maintaining maximum protection, a perfect blend of chemistry and engineering. The future of armor lies in smart composites, materials that can sense damage, heal themselves, and adapt to changing threats. Artificial intelligence is already helping design new combinations that redefine protection. Science doesn't just create, it protects. Subscribe to Chemistry Zone by Ihsan Dastgeer for more deep dives into the chemistry shaping our world. Thank you for watching.